What are 3C's?
Captain Crunch cereal?
No.
The 3C stands for cars, cattle, and chainsaws. These were formulated by this man, James Lovelock, to explain the probable causes of global warming.
Then what is global warming?
Global warming is the warming of the earth due to greenhouse gases.
A greenhouse with gases in it?
No.
Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane reflect rays and absorb heat from the sun, which causes the greenhouse effect.
What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is caused when the greenhouse gases absorb the heat from the sun. Then the gases will reflect the now infrared heat back into the earth, causing the planet to warm. How does this have to do with the 3C's?
The first of the 3C's is cars. Cars contribute to global warming by increasing the amount of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and therefore enhancing the greenhouse effect. Even though one car may not affect global warming, there are around 750 million cars around the globe and adding 4 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere each year. Now imagine this many cars driving from school to home on a daily basis. This leads to huge amounts of carbon dioxide entering the atmosphere and warming our planet.
The second C is cattle. Now you may be wondering, how does cattle have to do with the greenhouse effect? Actually, the cattle itself does not contribute to greenhouse effect. Their poo does. Or to be more precise, their dung. Cow dung, which contains methane, which is part of the greenhouse gas, contributes to the greenhouse effect. One cow emits 80 to 110 kilograms of methane each year. Now imagine 100 million cattle used for food production in the U.S. It's approximately 1.2 billion metric tons of methane added into the atmosphere, contributing to the warming of the planet. That's a lot of methane per day. The final C is chainsaws. Now, I know y'all be wondering and scratching your heads, how does chainsaws is related to greenhouse effect and global warming? Actually, the chainsaw itself does not have any effect to the planet. What it does affects the planet. The function of the chainsaw is to cut down trees at a quick rate. Trees store CO2. So when the chainsaw cuts down the trees, it releases the stored CO2. The CO2 then moves up its way to the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect, leading to global warming. Now imagine 164 million trees are cut each year for our use. It's releasing as much CO2 as a coal-fired power plant would generate in a typical day. That's a lot of CO2 emitted each year. We must save our planet, either by eating sustainable food, driving less or carpool, or use stuff as needed.